Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to start a chat on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber app and look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a message icon there. Go ahead and tap on it. This is your gateway to starting any conversation on Viber, whether it's a quick message to a friend or a more detailed chat with a colleague. Once you tap the message icon, you'll be taken to your contacts list. Browse through and select the person you want to chat with, then tap on their name. This will open a new chat window where you can start your conversation. The interface is designed to be clean and intuitive, so you'll have all your messaging tools right at your fingertips. Now, take a look at the bottom of the screen where you'll find a text field. This is where you'll compose your messages, but there's much more you can do here. Right next to the text field, you'll notice a plus icon. Tap on this icon to reveal a menu of additional options. From here, you can add various types of content to your message, including images, contacts, your location, files, and even third-party apps. This makes Viber incredibly versatile for different types of communication, whether you're sharing important documents or just sending a quick photo. If you want to add some personality to your message, tap the emoji icon. This will bring up a full keyboard of emojis, allowing you to express emotions and add a bit of fun to your conversations. Emojis are great for conveying tone and making your messages feel more personal. Next to the emoji icon, you'll see an image icon. Tap this if you want to quickly attach a photo from your gallery. This is perfect for sharing moments, screenshots, or any visual content without having to go through multiple menus. Now, if you prefer to send a voice message instead of typing, tap the microphone icon. This feature is especially useful when you're on the go or when you want to convey something more personal with your actual voice. Just hold the icon to record and release when you're done. Of course, if you simply want to send a text message, just tap on the text field and start typing your message. The keyboard will appear automatically, and you can compose whatever you'd like to say. Once you've finished composing your message, whether it's text, an image, or a voice note, look for the send icon and tap it. Your message will be delivered instantly to your contact, and you'll see it appear in the chat window. And that's it. You've successfully started a chat and sent your first message on Viber. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.